What if I told you there's a way to create stunning, client-winning presentations, websites, and marketing materials in just seconds without needing any tech skills at all? Imagine cutting your content creation time in half, impressing more clients, and closing more deals. Well, guys, it's here, and it's called Gamma.app. Let's be real. Most realtors struggle with presentations, me included. So we either spend hours fighting with outdated software like PowerPoint and Canva, or you end up with something basic and boring that makes your client's eyes glaze over. So what's the solution? How can we create jaw-dropping content without sacrificing all of our valuable time? Enter Gamma. This is a game-changing platform powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. It takes the frustration out of the design part, turning a simple prompt into a beautiful presentation, website, or even an entire document in just seconds. Even better, you don't need a background in design, coding, or tech wizardry to make all this happen. Now, you might be thinking, I've seen a lot of these AI tools before, so how is Gamma any different? Well, here's the kicker. Gamma isn't just smart, it's incredibly intuitive. So imagine Canva meets Notion, but it's now supercharged by AI. It breaks away from the traditional slide-by-slide limitations, giving you a modular, card-based approach that you can rearrange, update, and transform any content within that with just a simple click. But here's another challenge: engagement. Real estate presentations often fall flat because they're just static. And let's face it, clients expect way more these days. So how are we going to grab and hold their attention long enough to make an impact? So Gamma solves this by letting you seamlessly embed interactive elements like our videos, image galleries, and even entire websites right into the presentation. So if you want to show your client a neighborhood tour via YouTube, or embed real-time market data from Google Sheets, Gamma can make this effortless. Now imagine this. Your client, skeptical and distracted, starts clicking through your Gamma presentation, and now suddenly they're not just watching, they're interacting. They're exploring property images, videos, and local insights embedded right into their experience. Now you've shifted from just another realtor to their trusted advisor, all thanks to a smart, visually engaging presentation. But now let's just tackle the elephant in the room. What about the learning curves? Nobody wants another complex platform that they have to learn. We're already juggling thousands of tasks, from client meetings to property tours to emails, and you name it. So how practical is Gamma really? Now this is my favorite part. It's built for simplicity. With pre-designed templates and easy to drag and drop tools and AI-powered suggestions, you're never gonna feel lost. And even better, Gamma adapts seamlessly across all devices from desktops to smartphones, ensuring that your content looks absolutely perfect anywhere and anytime. So why does this matter to you, especially if you're a beginning realtor? Well, it's simple. Gamma is going to free you up to focus more on building relationships and closing deals, not sitting there fighting tech issues. Now imagine instantly crafting professional buyer guides, sellers presentations, market analysis, and more, and these will stand out from the competitors because look guys, the real estate game is evolving fast and competition isn't slowing down. So Gamma app isn't just another tech fad, it's your competitive edge. So the real question is, can you really afford to miss out on this? So if you're ready to transform the way that you do real estate, you need to check out Gamma today and experience the future of effortless AI-powered content creation. One more thing, if you're truly serious about leveraging cutting-edge AI to dominate your market, you've got to check out Apex Elite AI. This isn't just another community, it's the AI-powered mastermind for forward-thinking agents with exclusive strategies, weekly live mastermind calls, courses, actionable insights, and a comprehensive library of prompts. Apex Elite AI is your secret weapon to staying not just ahead, but miles ahead of the competition. So if you're ready to set the pace and supercharge your career, then click the link in the pinned comment and join us today. And if you found this video valuable, if you got some new ideas or inspiration here, smash that like button for me, hit subscribe to make sure you're always getting the freshest, most impactful strategies on leveraging AI and tech in your real estate business. And please share this video with another realtor who needs this info, because let's face it, leveling up is way more fun when we do it together. So thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.